My name is King Sol Chabalala, the DA mayoral candidate in Emfuleni. The abandoned swimming pool in Duncanville stands as a symbol of everything that has gone wrong under the ANC-led Emfuleni municipality. What was once a thriving community facility where young people could learn to swim, develop their talents, and even dream of competing at a provincial, national, or Olympic level, has been left to decay through years of neglect and mismanagement. The ANC has robbed the people of Emfuleni of opportunities, recreation, and a community pride by allowing such a vital public infrastructure to collapse. Facilities that should be empowering our youth, keeping them active, have instead become monuments of municipal failure. The DA believes that public facilities belong to the people and must serve the people. Under a DA-led Emfuleni, community assets such as Duncanville swimming pool will be properly maintained, protected, and restored so that residents can once again benefit from them. Our children deserve opportunities. Our communities deserve functioning facilities. Our ratepayers deserve value for money. The DA is committed to rebuilding Emfuleni, restoring neglected infrastructure, and creating an environment where the talents of our young people can flourish instead of being abandoned. It is time to end politics of decay and begin the work of renewal. Emfuleni deserves better. Vote DA. Let's fix Emfuleni.